Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art class. Today we are going to do a very simple thing. We'll paint a wooden coaster. This is a coaster from IKEA and I'm going to paint it with acrylic paints. So let's start. So this is a coaster. I've drawn two circles on it with the compass and I've drawn a flower. Very simple design which everybody can do. This is acrylic paint. So I'm going to use it and I'll be using 00 number brush. Our first step is to draw the border. So I'm using a Madhubani border design. Now inside flower, this is the center of the flower and these are the petals. This is the basic painting done. We will wait for this to dry and then we'll start doing the dot art on it. So this one is dried and I'm going to use some light color. This is my white paint and I'm going to use a big dotting tool for the center. Okay, so we have given a big dot in the center. Clean the dotting tool. Now I'm taking the smaller one. With this, I'm going to give dots in each one of this. The border is done. We will wipe our dotting tool. And now I'm taking the thin one, smaller than this. Our coasters are ready now. We will wait for them to dry and then we will give a coat of resin on it. After the coat of resin, they will become waterproof, heat proof, so we can use them in our day-to-day life. We can keep the teacup, we can keep glass of water, nothing will happen to them. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing the information of my YouTube channel Vandana's Art. Dhanyavad. Namaste. Hello friends. Our coasters are dry now and I'm going to do a coat of resin on it. So I have this resin with me. In this, the instruction is 1:1. Each resin has different instruction we should strictly follow. And other precaution we have to take that water should not touch the resin. So this is side A and I'm taking, this is my measurement. So initially I'm taking one of this, pouring into this glass. Some resin instruction says we have to weigh. Some resins instruction says you have to measure the volume. In this one, it's by volume. So I have taken this measuring cup and I'm measuring by volume. Now this is part B. Now, instruction says that we have to mix it first for 6 minutes, then pour it into second glass, and then again mix it for another 6 minutes. So I have set a timer for 12 minutes. So my measurement work is over. This is crystal clear, transparent, and high gloss finish. Side B is hardener. I'll start mixing it for 6 minutes. Continuously churn it. Six minutes are over. Now I'm transferring it into another glass according to instructions. And again, I will mix from glass to glass. All the bubbles should settle down. Our 12 minutes are over, and now I'm going to pour little on this. I'm going to use this old brush to spread it all over so that it is uniformly spread. After 12 minutes, the temperature of mixture becomes very high. All extra resin, I'm pouring it out. We can use it for something else. I have to really work very fast because now it has started getting hard. I have these miniature paintings. Since resin is extra, so I'm going to give a thin coat on these. But I have to work really very fast because it's already almost hard. I'll spread the old cloth so that all the resin will be on the old cloth. With this, our resin coating is over. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing Vandana's art. Dhanyavad. Namaste.